Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take any blog post and turn it into a voice-narrated video for free in 2025. This is perfect if you want to repurpose written content into YouTube videos, TikToks, or shorts without spending money on expensive tools. Step 1. Copy the text of your blog post. Make sure it is clean, without extra ads or sidebars. If it is very long, trim it down to the main points you want to cover in the video. Step 2. Head over to Google AI Studio or 11 Labs free tier to generate a voiceover. Paste in your blog text and pick a natural-sounding voice. You can adjust speed and tone to match the style you want. Once you are happy with the preview, download the audio file. Step 3. Open a free video editor like CapCut or Clipchamp. Import your audio file and then add visuals. You can use stock footage, images from your blog, or even AI-generated graphics to match the narration. Step 4. Sync the visuals to the audio. Drag clips and images onto the timeline so they match what is being said in the narration. Keep it simple, with each scene changing every few seconds to keep viewers engaged. Step 5. Add finishing touches. You can include background music, subtitles, and smooth transitions. Both CapCut and Clipchamp give you these features for free. Finally, export your project. Now you have a professional voice-narrated video created entirely from your blog post without spending anything. And that is it. With free AI tools in 2025, you can easily transform written articles into engaging videos with natural voiceovers. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what kind of content you will be turning into videos next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.